Hey, Red. What? Got any Terrence? Oh, come on. You're always good at this game. Hey, dude. What? Got any mustache pics? Angry Bird. Fine. Hey, dude. What? Got any, Green Birds and mustache pics? What? Get good at this game. What did you get? What? I shouldn't know. That was Chuck. Yeah, you're so good. Let's go for a walk. Yeah. Let's go to the picnic. Dun 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 dun. So they're going to the park, eh? Well, we can handle that. Behold, our new fly shooter, or so I say, Angry Bird shooter. Dude, really, it's not that funny. And you turn it. While they're walking, one Angry Bird will get hit, and then the other one will get hit, and then we can steal their eggs, and then it'll never exist. Now let's go follow them. Hey guys, what, do you think something's following us? Why would you say that? I don't know. Because it's a new day. Yeah, right. It's a new day. Ah! Come on! That hurts! Guys, I can't go for a walk. You're gonna have to go out with me. But just go! It worked. Now, let's put it back on. Dude, nothing's gonna happen to us. We're just gonna stay calm and do nothing. Ow! Dude, you're gonna have to go out with me. My legs are broken. You don't have a leg. I mean my beak. Okay. 2 down, 1 more to go. Yeah. Hey, Orange Bird. Ah! Don't. This is the end for you. Put your hands up, or you'll end up like the rest of them. Why would you say that? Because we destroyed your friends. What? Now, put your hands up, or the bird gets it. What does that mean, the bird gets it? I mean you. Now, let's see if this thing works. Now, get ready for your ending. No. Hey. What? What happened? Huh? Hey, what's going on? What? I don't feel so good. Hey. This is moving. Step forward in the pig skin. Oh no! We better run! Wait for me! Hey, what happened? Huh? What's going on? What's going on? Huh? Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Ha ha. What happened to you guys? My head got broken. So we just decided to follow you. Hey, you want to go ruin those pigs' life? Sure, with this pig shooter. Where'd you get that? The Angry Bird store. It's in the woods. What? Yeah. Let's go. Die, pigs, die! Ah!